On the afternoon of the 20th, Chinese Culture Club held an event to make Chinese knots in exhibition hall in lower-level bigraphs. This event attracted many students from different countries.
Today the topic is the Chinese knot, and I teach them how to weave the bracelet like this. We use that to record things. For example, in the ancient time, there is no paper and no pen. So how to record the things? If you meet some big things, you will use a very big knot. And if you meet some small things, you use the small knot to replace the things.
During this event, students showed great interest in how to make Chinese knots. The visiting scholar also explained the function of Chinese knots.
Second is to express your feeling. For example, the boys and the girls, they love each other, but they are very shy. They do not know how to express the feelings. So the girls maybe weave some bracelets and also make some Chinese knots and take this as a gift and send it to the boy. The third one is for the decoration, just like the Chinese Asian clothes.
The students who participated in this event showed their enthusiasm for learning how to make Chinese knots and showed their interest in Chinese traditional culture.
We learned how to make these really cool bracelets. We both just went on the study abroad trip to China for 10 days, and we both just really decided that we wanted to continue learning more about the culture and the language of China, and we thought this would be a really cool way to do that.
Zhou She, TrojanVision News.